Directorate General of Shipping, Mumbai, in parallel, issued its own advisory on 14 January for Indian seafarers, asking them to follow embassy advisories and avoid unnecessary movement ashore. Recruitment and shipping companies were asked not to deploy or send Indian seafarers to Iran. Sir, reflecting our assessment of the evolving situation, the Indian Embassy in Tehran issued another advisory on 14 February urging Indian nationals, including students, pilgrims, business persons and tourists, to leave Iran by all available means of transport, including commercial flights. They were asked to contact the embassy for any assistance and provided with 24/7 helplines. This was again reiterated in strong terms through another advisory on 23 February. Some heeded these advisories and have left the country. However, many others have disregarded them and remain in Iran. We are also in touch with our fishermen who operate out of Iran. This was the situation till 28 February 2020. Once the conflict commenced, the Indian Embassy has facilitated the relocation of several Indian students in Tehran to places outside Tehran. An advisory update with emergency contact helplines was issued on 3 March. Similarly, facilitation was extended to pilgrims for their internal movement. Indian nationals who were in Iran for business reasons were assisted to cross over to Armenia and return home. The embassy in Tehran remains fully operational, in fact, on the highest alert. They are totally committed to supporting the Indian community in this difficult moment and in assisting Indian nationals who may wish to cross international borders. Where seafarers are concerned, the Directorate General of Shipping, through an order of 2nd March, has constituted a quick response team for immediate response, coordination and support functions. This too will function on a 24/7 basis. Honorable Chairman, sir, I would like to inform the House through you that every Indian embassy in the region has similarly issued advisories. The embassy in Israel did so on 28 February and 1 March, UAE on 28 February and 5 March, Bahrain on 28 February, Qatar on 28 February, Kuwait on 28 February and 5th March, and Saudi Arabia on 28 February and 8th March, Oman on 28 February, Iraq on 28 February and 5th March.
गाड़ी किणिबाकू भाबुछंती ताले आसंतु कार बाजार जोटी आपनकू मिलिबो लो प्राइस कार ठु आरंभ करी लग्जरियस कार्स 10,000 किलोमीटर पर्यंत वारंटी और अफोर्डेबल प्राइस रे औ हां एबे आपनकर फेवरेट कार बाजार रो सेकंड आउटलेट खोली जायछि ऑपोजिट ऑफ एसोटेक वॉल पहाड़ भुवनेश्वर ताले एबे लो प्राइस रे लग्जरियस कार किणंतु केवल कार बाजार रु।